Hi, Scott again, and another video for you on this beautiful sunny day here in Noosa. Fennel bean and sun-dried tomato salad with hemp seeds. Sounds exotic, is really simple. And it's one of those salads basically that you open up the refrigerator door again, you look inside and you say, what am I going to put together? So really this is about just promoting your imagination, because after all that's what Raw's all about. Beans, nice fresh green beans, what you're going to need. A fennel bulb. Doesn't have to be large, just enough to give you enough for your salad. Some red onion, some lime juice, fennel seeds, which I've used in the past. Beautiful, fresh Australian hemp seeds, should I say. Beautiful hulled hemp seeds. Some apple cider vinegar, splash of oil, and of course, some beautiful sun-dried tomatoes. Now, these are tomatoes that have actually dried in my dehydrator to start with and then left out in the sunshine. So really, get yourself a preparation bowl again together, which is most important because we're going to serve this on a lovely white dish for my guest who's turning up in about half an hour. And then just slice the beans up. They don't have to be neat and tidy. You know, this is quite an organic dish in its own right. And honestly, it takes a few minutes to prepare, but it's absolutely delicious. Now, essentially everything that you're taking into your body is providing you with an opportunity to enrich your blood. So I'm just chopping up the fennel right now. Fennel is just beautiful. It's got a lovely aniseedy taste to it. And I'll just chop that lengthwise. And we just add that to the beans. Just superb. And again, it doesn't have to be neat and tidy. This is quite as I said, an organic looking salad, which is just fab. Some onion, which I've just taken the skin off, and just slice that again into lengths and just break the red onion into that. And again, you know my thoughts about red onion. It's just a lot sweeter than the old white onion, and I find it more tolerable. And if you've got a bit of a weak tummy, as I can be prone to have from time to time, then that is ideal for you. So we just mix all that together in the bowl, and I might just put a little bit more onion in there. Doesn't need a lot. Now, onion for colour, onion for taste, and you're getting a range of beautiful tastes in here. So I'll just put that aside. Also, you just need some broadleaf parsley, and this is out of my garden, which I just got a few moments ago. Fab. I just pull that apart and put that in there. Now I go to my old favourite, lime juice. And again, if you don't have limes, the lemon juice is perfectly fine. And you're offsetting a whole lot of tastes here. The most important thing is that you're getting a lovely acid-alkaline balance. Onions in their own right can be quite acidic, but the lime, once it hits your system, becomes quite alkalizing for the body. Now just put that in there. Beautiful. And again, just use your fingers to put all that through. This is part of the beauty of actually doing raw food, is really coming into contact with it. And then the parsley will stick to your fingers. And then what we'll do is just leave the hemp seeds for a moment, and let's just pop this on a plate, because that essentially is it. Oh, I've just forgotten a little bit of apple cider vinegar to go with that. And this is essentially your dressing. And the oil. And add the tomatoes to it. Colour is fabulous, absolutely fabulous. Now we're talking. And also just a little bit of seasoning, mainly salt in here. And good old pepper. Alright, that's it. Fabulous salad. We just put that on the plate. And you have something that's fit for a king, queen, or princess. Absolutely delicious. Now this is quite a lot. As I said, I've got a guest coming for lunch. So we'll just pile that up there. And again, you just cannot go wrong with something as simple as this. Now we put some hemp seeds over the top. And the hemp seeds just add a lovely crunchiness to it. There we go. And just another dab of ground pepper. So how quickly did that take? There you go. Absolutely beautiful. And that's the fennel bean, sun-dried tomatoes and hemp seed salad. A real clincher. Whether it's in the winter months or the summer months, this is something that actually works all year round. My mouth's watering again. I get to eat this in about half an hour, and I know yours will when you make it as well. All right, so stay healthy, stay raw, do your best, don't have to be 100%, and enjoy life. That's the most important thing. And until the next video, I'm Scott. Cheers now.